How to see who viewed your TikTok videos and profile. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up TikTok on a device. Now tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then go to settings and privacy. Now go to privacy. Now scroll down. Now tap on viewers. Now simply enable the toggle for viewer history. Now once you're done, simply go back to your profile. Now tap on the steps icon at the top right section. Now here you can find all of your profile viewers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.